Introducing Apollo 1 by Sun, coming at the speed of light.
UV!
Hello, Master. Here I am. How can I be to your assistance?
Hi, UV. Give me some pizza.
I found several pizzerias near you.
Yay, I love pizza. What are my options?
There are several pizzerias. Gino's, Juanita's, Vincent's, Fitzgerald's Pizza, Papa Ciro's, Italy's Corner, Papa John, Pizza Hut, Giorgino's Pizza, Alejandro's Pizza, Friendly Pizza, and Leonard's Pizza. Which one would you like me to place an order for?
I would like Juanita's Pizza. Yum.
Alright, Master. Would you like the usual?
Yes, 2 plain slices. Thanks, girl.
Hello? Is this Juanita's Pizzeria?
Hello?
Hello, Juanita speaking. What would you like?
I would like 2 plain slices and order for a plain pizza.
Oh my goodness, is this Yuni?
Yes, this is her.
Oh my god, I want you, Pedrito, come here, it's Yuni.
Oh my god, I can't believe it's UV. You are the best phone out there.
Yes, I know. I am as fast as light.
I know everything about you. You come with brand new booming headphones. You're waterproof. You come with no charger because you charge using solar energy. And best of all, you're as fast as light.
I know. So, how long will that pizza take until my master can pick it up?
Oh, right away, UV. 8 minutes.
Okay, thank you. Hello, master. Your pizza will be ready in 8 minutes.
Thanks, UV. You're the best. Did you just see that? Did you just see that? How sleek and efficient that phone is? Introducing Apollo 1 by Sun. The Apollo 1 is the latest and most technologically advanced smartphone in the game. Apollo 1 is the first solar-powered phone using the newest, most efficient technology in the world. Tested and even used by NASA, our National Space Administration. This new addition to the technological world does not require a charger. How great is that? No more losing chargers. The Apollo 1 comes with new booming headphones, better than Beats themselves, and cheaper. The Apollo 1 has internet speeds equivalent to the speed of light. Also, the Apollo 1 features a waterproof shell. Take it to the beach and take pictures of yourself while you're submerged in water.
Selfie.
The Apollo 1 only cost $100, half the price of the iPhone 5S. And best of all, the Apollo 1 is 100 gigabytes, so you can store all your memory.